Tesla has just unveiled the latest evolution of its humanoid robot Tesla Bot Gen 3 2025, and it's more advanced than ever. This groundbreaking AI-powered robot is designed to revolutionize industries and everyday life, bringing us one step closer to a future where intelligent machines handle complex tasks with ease, from enhanced dexterity and mobility to cutting-edge AI-driven decision-making. The Tesla Bot Gen 3 is a game-changer in the world of robotics. Elon Musk and Tesla have been making rapid advancements in artificial intelligence and robotics, and the Gen 3 Optimus bottom is proof of their commitment to innovation. With improved balance, faster movement and refined motor control, this robot can perform intricate tasks that were previously impossible for machines. Whether it's working in Tesla factories, assisting in homes, or even operating in hazardous environments, the capabilities of the Tesla bot are expanding at an incredible pace. One of the most impressive features of the Gen 3 model is its enhanced human-like motion. Unlike previous versions, this iteration moves with greater fluidity, making it more adaptable to real-world environments. Thanks to Tesla's AI and machine learning systems, the robot can now learn from its surroundings, respond to voice commands, and perform a wide range of tasks autonomously. Imagine a world where robots assist with household chores, work alongside humans in warehouses, or even provide care for the elderly. The Tesla Bot Gen 3 is bringing that vision closer to reality, but that's not all. Tesla has significantly upgraded the bot's energy efficiency and battery life, allowing for extended operation without frequent recharging. This improvement is crucial for its deployment in industrial settings where continuous performance is key. The robot's lightweight yet durable construction ensures that it remains both powerful and efficient, making it a viable solution for businesses and individuals alike. As Tesla moves closer to mass production, the possibilities for the Tesla Bot Gen 3 are endless. Could this be the future of human-robot collaboration? How soon will we see these robots integrated into our daily lives? With each new generation, Tesla is pushing the boundaries of what AI-powered robots can achieve. Watch the full video to see the Tesla Bot Gen 3 in action and witness firsthand how this revolutionary robot is set to transform industries and redefine the future of automation. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more exciting updates on cutting-edge technology.